beauties. It is day 57, I think, of day trading pre-market. But we're not going to let the days... We're going to be over PDT in a few months. And then that's not going to really matter because then it's going to be days trading over PDT. So yeah, it's day 56. That is day 56. All right, got the jersey on. Feeling like we're going to start the year off right. We are going to wait for news. If the news is good, if the volume is good, if the float is good, if the spread is good, going to get aggressive. That's what the jersey's for. That's the top of the hour. I'm ready to go. And that's the plan all year. All year. Gotta get aggressive early, which means I will take some fairly large losses early as well. It's the nature of the game, baby. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. But can't win if you don't play. So let's get this bread. All right. This is the first full week of the year. And I'm excited. A little anxious. Not gonna lie, I'm a little anxious. I'm kind of like a little jittery right now. A little giddy, I guess. We'll see. See what the day provides. It's a minute in, minute 20 in, minute 22. We have nothing on the top gap or the Ross's 5 pillars. TEP, the biggest gapper is only 52%, and it's a penny stock. Yesterday, or last trading day, was closed at 25 cents. Then you have Mask up 28%-ish, and that's also a penny stock, 32%. Then you have, this one's cruising up. AI shares rise after AP Global Massive Purchase Order Agreement. That's at 27%. Also very cheap. Not on the running up scan yet. Float 260. Oh, the float is huge. Huge. All right. About almost 3 minutes in. Yo, I gotta go. I have to take an early break here. That's probably why I'm so jittery. The coffee be hitting, if you know what I'm saying. Our DHL, it's a little pricey. What do we have here? MOBX, penny stock, no news. These pennies have been really popular, so for anybody who's been trading penny stocks have been hot for you recently. I'm going to stay away. All right. Float, 39 mil, it's a little larger. Relative volume's nice, volume's fine, spread's fine. Oh, there you go. Labs powers up U.S. defense operations. It's a pretty good PR for them. Bigger military approval facility expansion planned. Yeah, that's a good PR, but it's up 60%. How far is it going to go? You know, it'll be up 160%, and the stock will only be up 80 cents. So I don't know. We're going to trade pennies. Are we gonna trade pennies or are we gonna wait for something else? I think I'd prefer to wait for something else because I would have taken that entry there, 44. Probably would have been out already for 20 cents. I don't know if that's worth it. Or 2 cents, I mean. $20, 2 cents. I mean, it's probably going to have to have a problem at 50 anyways. Yeah, I mean, I like to wait for quote unquote, I don't want to say real stock, but something over, I mean, not even $1, something over like $1.50 really. I might take this at the 9 though. I might take it at 38 if it goes down 38. Interesting. So if I press shift, it comes up. I might have to change my hotkey to something other than shift because that window, the duplicate window appears when I click on shift. Yeah. It's going to be like that every time if I'm over here. Click shift. I wonder if I get unclick shift, click something else, and you have a new window. So what? How do I fix that? I go over here. Nope, that switch is fine. But if I come over here to trade it and I hotkey, I'm gonna have to click it again. Yes, I will. All right, so I'm gonna have to change that. Maybe I could change it to. That's annoying. So every time I click shift, if I click a different ticker on the scan, it's gonna pop up a new window unless I double click shift. I wonder if I do control. What about tab? I gotta find a new hotkey. What about this? Caps lock will jack up a bunch of stuff. Well, while nothing's moving, I'm gonna do that now. Hotkey, hotkey. Edit item instead of shift. We're gonna change that to key left is what? 500 shares. Just do control left. And then I need to do control up, commit, and then I need to do control down, commit, and then sell half needs to be control F. And then sell. It's going to be control right. All right, pimps. Just fix my problem. Let's go. Okay, it's fairly slow morning. A lot of pennies on there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the top 5 gappers are pennies. We're 12 minutes in. Okay, I'm not gonna be rushing anything. UFG floats a little larger, volume not there, but now volume's there. UFG, what's the news? No news. Really? It's pretty good follow through for no news. Last news was December 10th. It's up 40% now. It's got to be news. Why isn't the news popping up? I mean, maybe there doesn't. Maybe there isn't news. Maybe it's just a quick pop and drop. I wonder if I can put this here. Well, that's not going to do much good, is it? It's just kind of distracting from my volume down here. Okay, we're 16 minutes in. 16 and a half and really nothing. What's the date today? The 5th. The low float top gainers, the highest one's 11%. Yikes. Um, yeah, we're gonna take a break until the top of the hour. Be right back. My bad. Nice little VWAP bounce there, huh? Now this one's been moving, when was it, 702? Okay, so it got news and then like nothing really happened for it. It's just now starting to pick up. That's interesting. Pressure down, view up again maybe? Low flow at high relative volume. Float 3 mil. It's up 47%. Second largest gapper in the market right now. Ooh, bounce off the 20 there. Maybe. Yikes. That's a shame. That is a shame. I also got my schedule mixed up. Today is actually the last day that I can trade until... Oh, this one's heavily priced. Decent float. Good recognition. That was quick. Decent float. Fine enough volume. What's the news on it, though? Ugh. The FDA lifts clinical hold, clearing path for phase 3. That's good news for them. That is good news for a company like that. $0.12 split. Yeah, I can't be doing that. 20-cent there. No, I can't. It's gonna have to tighten up. This is too expensive for me, anyways. But it's only up 35%. This should move though. Decisions. I was fumbling around with that decision at like 17 and it got up to 18 and change. Ooh, look at that wick. These are the type of stocks that Ross eat up though, for sure. He's milking this. VWAP at what, 1750. Oh no, I clicked my shift again. Wrong one. There we go. So even if I wanted to trade him, I wasn't on the right hotkey anyways. And can't trade it on Schwab. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Tried to play that 10-second to make a new high there over 18.14. It's good pattern recognition. You know, it broke out, consolidated, stalled a little bit, tried to take it. It's good. It's good. That's a win. It's a win. And I hope something like this just opens up the floodgates. Maybe this thing goes to like 50. Gives us some nice momentum for the week, for the month. It's a nice way to start the year. But right now, we just gotta wait. Because Schwab said so. Oh, another highly priced one, 18 bucks. What's this dude even doing? Yikes. What was that sell off for? Announced positive results from phase 3. It's 705. Dang. It's down pretty big for phase 3 result news. What's up with that? Trying to figure out. $705. Oh, weird, it's gotten no action. Other than it falling off a cliff. It's down 50%. Anyways. CNTX on no news, up 24%. RDL on a pretty decent sized curl we got going on here. You gonna trap some bears down there. Force a squeeze past VWAP. You got 150 gonna be causing issues though. Oh, what? I definitely typed the. Did I not type the wrong ticker? Oh, I just didn't press enter. Okay, okay. SOWG. Another penny stock. Doesn't have news, it just has 8K report. $6 million private placement. I gotta read the 8K report to figure that out though, which is kind of annoying. But it's all good. Maybe they didn't PR it though, you know? Guess I didn't. It's up 70% right now. I'm gonna imagine I can't trade this either, but we're gonna see. Oh, I can. Let's go. Alright, see if we bear trap here. Oh, missed it. A little too early. Dang, I'd have been quick though. Yeah, yo. Thing is buzzing. Four, three, two. ZBIO again. What kind of wick is that? Yo, these pennies are like a whole nother animal, dude. And I don't like it. Look, I mean, that just jacked up the entire 10-second chart. Dang, son, what a waste. Alright, I'm not trading that anymore. Not trading the penny anymore. You know, like this breaks 55, then it comes up like to 58, then it'd be worth it, but how many times am I going to take the trade for it to be worth it? Nah, we're not even gonna mess. 2026 Air #1 penny stock. $7:55. So top of the hour, 4 minutes. So maybe we get something better. Hopefully. Hopefully we get something better. There you go. Rip past 55. There's 56. Tough trading. Thick. Back to 55. Yeah, it's just tough. That's alright. I'm sure some people nailed it, but that ain't gonna be me. Let's save some of this buying power for something else. Two minutes. Oh, huge float. Huge float here. How come we're not tinging though? Autoimmune receives FDA breakthrough therapy designation. It's got 100 million shares outstanding though, so that's kind of a problem. Bummer on RH or GHRS. Came back down. Schwab wouldn't let me trade it. I wonder why this. This noise isn't working. Oh, I see why. The strategy is medium float. That's why. There is the top of the hour. Right. We're in a manageable situation still. TPET again. Yeah, this was here at 6 a.m. or whatever, 7 a.m. when we sat down. I wonder why it just totally died off and why is it coming back up now? Another penny stock. Are you gonna get burned again? Probably. ZBIO. JCE. Good float. Decent volume. JC. Wait, no. JCSE. Not showing news. Oops. It's being crazy though. Why is it being crazy? Can't trade it. Why would I want to do anyways? Right? You know what I mean? Just trying to play that dip. And then possibly add through that 10 second to make a new high at 42, but no. We press on. That was nice quick recognition though. Float's 1.6, volume was good, price was good, spread was good. Alright, now it is showing news. announced declaration of cash dividend. So it's not great that the scanner was 2 minutes late on the news. Schwab's not going to let us have any fun with it, though. Gonna have to watch this party without us. Such is life. This really might start turning into a problem with Schwab. If anybody has alternatives that they use and they like, that are kind of, it's an easy transition, let me know. They're not getting blocked from trading these types of lower priced, lower float, quick movers. Let me know, because this ain't doing it for Schwab, unfortunately. Which would have been nice. I should have changed at the end of the year so I could start the year off fresh with a new broker, so I don't have, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. But it's fine, I guess. Five minutes in and we got really nothing. Well, I mean, we got something. People have something. Us jamokes at Schwab don't have anything. GHRS. I think I couldn't even trade this one, though, right? I tried to trade this one. It wouldn't even let me. So, even worse. It's a $20 stock. Can't even trade it. So this still has the opportunity to create some FOMO in the markets for us for like tomorrow, which is good. It's FDA, it's biotech news. Not necessarily going to be theme driven, but that's okay. GHRS. I mean, top gap are still light. MOBX leads the pack with 60%. Still light. Light work day. 8:16. I'm running out of time. JCSE. Can't trade it. 8 minutes till the half hour. Six minutes. Gotta get something. Well, we don't have to. It's okay. We're down $65, and that's not even worried about it. Could not trade the rest of the day. Today probably should have been a no trade day for me, anyways. GHRS. I mean, that would have been a nice one to get a trade on. If Schwab would have allowed it. Dang, look at that move. 40 to 74. It's so annoying. It's so annoying, honestly. I can't even tell you how annoying this is. Schwab gonna let us trade it now. Let's try with minimal share size. Nope. 2 minutes. Time to get focused. Time to get focused. This stock's the top gapper in the whole market now. But Schwab still says nope. What's that one mean? Oops. Squeeze alert, 52-week breakout. For JCSE. Okay, that's cool. MNTS, good float, good volume, a little higher priced. And we've traded it before. Additive manufactured fuel tank. Flight tested. Okay. Half-hour news. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. VWAP at 786. It's quite the little squeeze there. It's 1 minute to make a new high. No, not 1 minute, 10 seconds. Sorry, my bad. Okay, what are we going to do on that minute over there? New minute in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Where's this minute gonna go? Where's this minute gonna go? Definitely the consolidation, but where next? Pressure on VWAP, the 9's at 782. Are we gonna get a bear trap? Yes, and I missed it. Dang it! That is shameful. That's a shameful miss. USEG, float 23 mil, no thanks. Bid under 9, bid over 9. Don't feel fully comfortable with, right when I saw it on the scan, it was like $8. Don't feel fully comfortable with this price range, but you just gotta get out of your comfort zone sometimes. That happened so quick, that bear trap on that 10-second chart. At least it felt like it did, I guess. I mean, it's just a little more than 10 seconds, I suppose. This is 924, 952. I was really waiting to see if it was going to come test the 9 here. And it didn't. It just barely dipped under VWAP and then went. So I thought it was going to, at least come a little bit lower. But that's all right. Okay, but now the 9's pretty close to VWAP, so are we gonna get a 9 bounce? We're probably not gonna get a similar bear trap, I wouldn't imagine. Okay. D6. There's the 9 bounce. Move. Gotta be alright with that spread. That's a problem when it gets spready, though. It can get kind of out of hand quick. No, 54. 76. Is that it? Is that gonna be it? The hesitation was here. Oh man, what a fantastic trade that would have been too. Such hesitation. You're in the jersey, you're not supposed to be hesitating. It's okay. VRME, good float, good volume. News, penny stock. Stuff. I know if I trade the penny stock, I'm probably going to get, I'm just going to keep taking like 2-cent losses, $20 here, $20 there, $20 here, $20 there, you know what I mean? 21. These dailies looking like a curl here or what? Not dailies, minute. Minute. VRME again, huh? 107. 95. VWAP 90. I think I'd probably have a better chance at MNTS. All right. 52, there's 50. 33, 40. 843. Looking for a closer dip to VWAP, a little more careful there. Under VWAP gotta be a sell. Dang, dude. That's tough. Might have gotten shaken out too. The 9's at what? 35. Now I am going to have to go to VRME. Because I'm running out of buying power. Dang, 875. Got shaken out. There was two really good opportunities I missed. I missed the bear trap, which happened too quick. Quite frankly, it happened too quick. I was like, is this thing going to bear trap? And then by the time I was even finished with my sentence, it had already gone. And then the initial little pullback. I don't know if anything else is going to be popping up by the top of the hour within our price range. Our price range is getting small. Oh no, 909 totally got shaken out right there. That's a bummer. Oh well. Do we hold $1 VRME? If we hold $1, do we go back to 110? There's $1.02. Back to $1. And it's just fighting for pennies. I hate that. I hate that. Oh, then it rips to 110. Right when I start talking trash about it. Okay. And it did. If it held $1, it did rip to 110. Yes, it did. What kind of problem areas we got? 120. Ooh, after we clear 120, we got some space. We gotta clear 123. After we clear 123, we got space at like 140, 150. What's that at? 102. $0.01 breakout. Cool, 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 cool. Where are we up? 70%. Ooh, this is top capper now. In the whole market. A lot of red coming in. EMA on the 1 minute around 105. Take a quick break. You know, during that break, I was just thinking, if you've ever read Trading in the Zone, basically the book tells you to find your edge and take every single setup entry within your edge, because you never quite know how high it'll go. So you can't really hesitate or be afraid of it. You have to take the edge. Of course, it's not going to be accurate 100% of the time. You don't even know you're going to be right. You never know if you're going to be right unless you take the trade, but you never know how high it will go. So I think I got to reread that book. It's been like a year since I read it. But there was the two opportunities that I said that I missed that I hesitated on. It's like, why not just take it? If it's an L, it's an L. I'm like, it's not a big deal. Whatever. Just take it. Now I'm stuck here playing EMA bounces on low-key setup. You know what I mean? Like, take it. Take the trade. And there's the 9. Does it hold the 9? I'm going to wait 2 minutes to see if anything happens at the top of the hour. Do I even want to see how high MINTS is? Oh, it got back to VWAP. I'm going to get that book out, actually. Where's it at? There it is. I see you. All right, we got a minute. One more minute. Getting a curl here? Curl on the 10. What did I say our problems were at? 120 and 124. Yeah, then room to 140. MNTS probably over VWAP there. It's a low float, high relative volume. Whew. Relative volume's crazy on this VRME. All right, let's get back to basics. What do we think is going to happen in the next 5 seconds of this stock? SMXT. Float a little larger. Volume's fine. Spread's fine. Spread is not fine anymore. Jeez. Oh. No news yet. At least no headline yet that we can see. Buyers got eaten at 19 pretty quick there. Ouch. Holding on too long. Let's look for a dippy dip. I'm wondering if the news is delayed like it was on, I don't remember that other ticker. So I tried to take 20 last time. Oh yeah, the float's 40. No, it does have news. Awarded 158 million EPC contract for 400. All right, that would have been nice to have known. Just 27. Slow grind though, slow grind. We're gonna take out 30. So the market cap is what? Market cap's 47 million. They got awarded 158 million. Projects in Puerto Rico. I'm effectively at my max loss, but I think I'm going to trade it one more time. VRME at 117. Not the way I wanted to start out 2026, but, you know, it is what it is. And the news was late on this. Like I had expected, the news headline was late. So I don't know how I combat that. Well, I mean, I tried it. I tried the break of 120. It just didn't go. So, it's all good. What did I get filled at there? 31. That's a high fill. I was looking for that VWAP bounce, but that's okay. The sign of the times for me today. 34, 33, back to 31. This might be it. This might be it for the day for me. 1 minute to make a new high is going to be over 34. There's the 1 minute to make a new high. No, it's not. It's in the same candle, you silly goose. Gotta break 40. Half off. These new hockey's gonna be carpal tunnel. Pinged off of 40. No love through 40. Oh, there you go. Whoa, hello, goodbye. Alright. Sheesh. It's the first green trade I've had. Made about 50 bones, bucket back on it. It's a reasonable L. It's not terrible. It's under the max L limit, so that's good. Also, 2026, I need to get comfortable adding through, actually just straight up adding to the positions in general. 35, 26. I'm going to change my cell to a different hotkey because this for real is jacking with my hand. So what it's just, it's Control Shift, Edit, cell half, clear. We're going to change that to Control V, commit, okay. That's much better. Oh, you know what? No, let's do Control S. It has a marker on it. Control V. Control S. Okay, 1 minute's over 132. Let's play this VWAP again for the last time. If I see anything under 30 on the bid, I'm getting about... Oh, I had the finger on the wrong hotkey for the half sell. Gotta take the finger off. Oh, I gotta keep this finger here. Gotta crack that 134. And then what's next? 1 minute, 136. Okay, if I see 29 on the bid, out. All right, back almost under, or back almost over max loss. 191. 191, and that is it. That is all the buying power I have today, folks. Unfortunate. There's two major trades that I feel like I missed, and they were both on MNST. It was the bear trap, but quite frankly, it just happened too quick. This one, boom, look at that perfect candle, beautiful candle. This happened too fast. Instead of me chirping about the bear trap, I should have just been trying to play it. You know, 836, same candle went to 930. And then it was this candle here. This candle here, I don't think we had seen the news yet on, what was the news on MEN? Maybe we had. I don't know, but I hesitated on this pullback because of these two wicks. You know, hindsight, should have just entered. Then, well, I mean, I don't know. That would have been tough because even if I got, let's just hypothetically saying I bottom wicked that. If I bottom wicked that, I would have had to have used one of these moving averages for the max loss, and that's over $100. I'd have to have been willing to risk, and that's, you know, I lost 190, so I could have been at 190 right out of the gate. So it is what it is. Red day for me. Spread love. Be good to each other. Peace.